Today we will be showing you how to create an account on whgsupplement.com. First, you want to go to your browser, and here you want to go to the URL section and then put whgsupplements.com. From here you will see our homepage, and you will see on our top menu you will see a magnifying glass, a little icon that looks like a man, a little bag, and then 3 lines. So you want to click on the little man. Once you click on the little man, it will say sign in, email, password. Here you want to go down. If you haven't already, you want to create an account. On the very bottom it says create account. You want to create account and you want to put your information, an email, and a password. There you will put create. You will simply tell that you are not a robot. Follow the procedure for the robot. Once you have been verified, just press submit. And now you have an account. So you want to again click the little man. And here it will take you to my account. So because I haven't purchased anything, I won't have anything under my order history or my account details. However, once I do make a purchase on the supplement store, I will then finally start seeing something under my order history, like purchases that I've made, supplements that I've already purchased. And this is very useful in case you forget an item and you don't remember what it's called. You can go back to your order history and see what you purchased so you can purchase it again. Now, where it says account details, if you want to put an address there so that when you put shipping or something and it automatically gets clicked, you want to go under view my information. So click view my information. It says your information, return to account details, add a new address. This is where you want to add a new address. You put your information, you put your address, you put where you want it to be shipped, all this information. And if you have more than one address, you want to put set as a default address if this is the address you will primarily be using. Finally, you finish, and you can read now that instead of it adding new address, it now says primary address underneath it. And this will be your information for shipping and stuff like that. When you're purchasing something on the supplement store, it will be automatically available to you, so you can click it as your primary address. So from there, we're done. If you want to add a new address, you can by clicking on add a new address. And this can be a secondary address, or this could be your new default address. But like if we put, oh, this is my secondary address in case I happen to be in another location for a few parts of the a bit of time out of the year, let's say Alabama. I don't use it as my default, but I just use it as a secondary address. Then I could put add address. And so now you'll see that my primary address is still the one in Texas, and then my secondary address will be the Alabama. So from here, I want to go back to my account. I can either click the little man or return to account details, but I'm going to click the little man. So here you see my account, order history. Like I said, I still haven't purchased anything, so I don't have anything there. But under account details, you will now notice that it says Texas. So that's where my primary address will be located. So yes, thank you for watching the video.